Guys, I'm going to eat something today that I am A, one, excited for, and B, scared of. So let me show you what we have. Ba 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 bum. Ba ba. We have the bookie. I hope I'm pronouncing all of these things right. Otherwise, don't come for me. I'm trying. So the bookie, but BULDAK the bookie. Am I saying it right? It feels wrong. BULDAK the bookie. I don't know. But I'm going to eat it. And I'm scared because my spice tolerance is pretty bad, I would say. It is getting better. I'm practicing quite often, and yesterday I actually went to a Korean barbecue place here in Copenhagen called Seoul. And if you want to see a little bit from that, I have put it on my Instagram, which I will be linking down in the description, and then, or you can just search for it by the name. So yeah, I was at the Korean barbecue place yesterday and I actually got to eat some gochujang, and I usually find it too spicy. But it was okay yesterday. I feel like I'm improving on my spice level. But we will see, because this is supposed to be very, very spicy if you're not that good with spices or spicy food, obviously. Yeah, okay, but I have to make it first. So obviously I'm going to go and try and follow the instructions. Put the rice cake and the sauce in a bowl. Pour the water. I'm curious. Okay, we're going to open it together. Hold on. Oh. Here we have the duck and that seasoning. And here we have the hot sauce, or the, I don't even know, the chili sauce, the hot sauce, the sauce. I would like to try and pronounce things, so bear with me. You will have to be a part of the process. Yeah. Okay, so put the rice cake and sauce into the bowl, pour hot water to the line and marked inside. Okay. So this is apparently not something I should eat. It's just to keep it fresh. So I will not eat it. Oh, move all of it. Boop. And I have had rice cakes before, so that's not a new thing for me, but the sauce is going to be the new, slightly scary, actually a little bit more than slightly scary. I'm kind of terrified of it, but I really want to try it because I have no other way. Oh, I'm making a mess. I have no other way to actually try like more authentic tteokbokki, like the ones you can get in like street food markets in Korea, or that you actually eat in Korea. Here in Denmark, I haven't found a place that sells tteokbokki yet. So this is as close as it is going to get, I guess. And I'm not going to do ASMR in this because I don't know how I'm going to react. I could potentially be dying, and I don't want to try and be quiet if I'm potentially dying. So yeah. Oh, do I dare? Mmm. Oh. It's very, very flavorful. I really like the flavor. Because it's very salty and it feels like it has a lot of, yeah, a lot of flavor to it, but a lot of spice as well. Okay, I did prepare in a way because I bought milk. So I'm going to make myself a cup of milk as well. And I do have some cheese slices, so I think I can put cheese on it as well to maybe make it a little bit milder. But let's go and boil some water and put it in the microwave and eat. I'm excited and scared because my tongue is burning. Anyway, see you in a bit. Ta -ta -da -da. I have some candy, some, what is it, sesame candy type of thing, in case it's getting a little bit too spicy. I have my saftevan, I have my milk, I have a slice of cheese, and then I have my tteokbokki. And I have a complaint already, because on the instructions it says microwave for on high for blah 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 with the lid closed. So I closed it like all the way. So when I took it out of the microwave, it was everywhere because apparently it's, I don't know, the lid popped off and I don't know. But so, and you would think that I have watched enough like convenience store eat with me thing online to know not to put the lid completely on, but I just follow the instructions and even when I do, it's going wrong. Story of my life. Anyway, we have the tteokbokki here. I have to sit. I'm still way. So, okay. I think I will try it without the cheese first. It's a little bit more watery than what I think I've seen elsewhere, but I don't know. Who knows? Okay. And I have this little fork. Okay. And I'm supposed to say something. I'm supposed to say 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. It sounds wrong when I say it, but I know how it's supposed to be in my head because I've heard it a million times watching people eat. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Anyway, 잘 먹겠습니다. Or bon appetit. The funny thing is that in Danish we don't really have the same. Like we would sometimes say velbekomme, meaning like I hope it becomes you well. But it's more like if someone were to bring me the food that I have to eat. So anyway. Oh! Oh! It's very flavorful. I will say that. But also very spicy. And My eye is crying. Only the one. And it's not because of the spiciness, just in case you were wondering. I don't know what the deal is, but yeah. Yep. Let's try and put the cheese in, because maybe it will help a little. The cheese has been frozen, so that's why it's a little bit more difficult. Oh, I should probably have put the cheese in while microwaving, but I can't be bothered to go back and do it again. Oh. It's pretty spicy. I think if I am going to eat this again, I would probably only put half the bag of the sauce in. Sorry. Or maybe just 1/3 of the bag of sauce. The thing is that it's burning afterwards. It's not that much when you eat it, just when you eat it. It's more the afterburn. I think I'm going to try with a candy. No, 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 no. My eye is crying. Okay, so what I've done is that I've taken all the duck, all the rice cakes, and put it here on the side. We will scoop this over here, and I'm hoping that it will have a little less sauce or spiciness on it if I took it out. And I don't know if it's right. Still spicy. very determined. What am I doing? I need some more to drink. I'm shaking. I think it is time for a conclusion. I am shaking and my mouth is burning. My brother just came home as I was filming, and I was like, I did a bad thing. And then he came in here and he was like, yep. And I asked if he wanted to taste the sauce, and he was like, nope. My stomach is hurting because I've been drinking so much water and milk, and oh, this was not a good idea. I should have known. Oh my god. I need to go and lay down. I will say, the sauce is incredibly flavorful, and it smells so good. Like, it has like real, what's it called, umami to it. It's like, just, I wish I could drink it. Like, the sauce that is left, I wish I could just like drink it as a soup because it smells so good. But it's so spicy. However, I have decided that I will keep the sauce and then I'll use a little bit in my cooking, just so I can build up my spice tolerance a little higher, a little bit more, maybe day by day. I mean, I'm shaking, my stomach is hurting, I'm like, I love how it seems like Koreans say that if it's very spicy, it is stress relieving. Like, it relieves stress. And I have no freaking clue what that means, except that I can imagine that you will forget everything else if you eat something that is very, very spicy, maybe a little bit too spicy for you, you will forget everything. You forget every worries or like stupid people or a job you don't like or whatever, because you're so focused on it being so spicy and so painful in its own way. So that's my take on it. But I've tried it. I have nothing else to add. I need to go lay down. So thank you so much for watching, and tack for mad. And I'll see you. Hej hej.